Hello, my name is Rafael Cagnali, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Together. In this video, I'm learning English through reading. I read complete tests in English to improve my pronunciation, my vocabulary, and my confidence when speaking. I'm not fluent in English yet, so this channel is part of my learning journey. If you notice any pronunciation mistakes, please correct me in the comments. You can also tell me which part I pronounced well and which part I need to improve. In this video, I will read a short test in English. Let's start. Learning English is a process. It does not happen in one day. It requires time, patience, and practice. Many people are afraid to speak English because they think their pronunciation is bad. They are afraid to they are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. When you make a mistake, it means you are trying, and when you try, you improve. Reading in English is one of the best ways to learn. When you read, you see new words. You understand how sentences are built. You learn naturally. You read out loud helps even more. Reading out loud helps even more. It improves pronunciation. It trains your listening skills. It builds confidence. At the beginning, reading may be difficult. Some words are hard to pronounce. Some sentences are long. That is normal. The important thing is not speed. The important thing is consistency. A little practice every day is better than a lot of practice once a week. Learning English is not about perfection. It is about progress. Every new word learned is a step forward. This channel exists to practice English in public. Here, learning is honest and real. There is no shame in making mistakes. Corrections are welcome here. Corrections help everyone learn. They help me and they help other viewers. If you are learning English too, you are not alone. Many people around the world are learning every day. Some people learn fast and others learn slowly. Both ways are valid. The most important thing is to continue. Do not stop because of fear. Do not stop because of mistakes. Keep reading, keep listening, and keep practicing. English becomes easier when you practice regularly. One sentence at a time, one word at a time. Learning a new language is not always easy. Sometimes it feels confusing, sometimes frustrating, and sometimes we even feel afraid of making mistake. But the truth is simple. Mistakes are part of learning. When we learn English, We are not just learning words. We are learning we are learning new sounds, new structure, and new ways of thinking. At the beginning, it is normal to feel uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. It is normal to pronounce words incorrectly. Yeah, that is. It is normal to forget vocabulary. What really matters is consistency. Reading English every day helps our brain get used to the language. When we read aloud, we train our pronunciation. When we listen to ourselves, we start noticing what sounds right and what sounds wrong. This process takes time, but it works. Many people believe that you must be perfect before speaking English. This is not true. You improve by speaking, not before speaking. Every time you read a text, you learn something new. Maybe a new word, maybe a new expression, maybe a new way to pronounce a sound. English is a global language. It connects people from different countries, culture, and backgrounds. By learning English, you open doors to knowledge, opportunities, and communication. You do not need to be fluent today. You just need to be better than yesterday. Some days you will feel motivated, other day you will feel tired. Both days are part of the journey. The important thing is not to stop. When you practice reading, focus on clarity, no speed. Speak slowly. Let me repeat this sentence. When you when you practice reading, focus on clarity, no speed. Speak slowly. Pronounce each word as best as you can. It is better to speak slowly and clearly than fast and incorrectly. Yeah, of course. If you do not understand a word, that is okay. You do not need to understand everything immediately. Understanding comes with repetition. The more you read, the more familiar the language becomes. The sound starts to feel natural. The word starts to make sense. The sentence starts to flow. Confidence grows with practice. Remember, nobody starts fluent. Everyone starts as a beginner. Even people who speak English perfectly today once struggled with pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. The difference is that they did not give up. Yeah, the difference is that they did not give up. This channel is about learning together. It is about improving step by step. It is about creating a safe space to practice, make mistake, and grow. If you are watching this and learning with me, know this. You are not alone. We are learning together. Keep practicing, keep reading, keep listening, and most importantly, keep believing in your progress. Learning English is not a race, it is a journey. And every journey starts with one step. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for learning with me.